Hello everybody. It's now nearly a year that I get my Narwal mopping and sweeping robots. And I like to conclude for you, it is worth to invest $1,000 for these robots. As you may know, I ordered these robots on Kickstarter. And as I not like to change the sweeping module and the mopping module, I ordered 2 sets of this robot. The decision was costly, but at the end it turns out it has some advantages. I get a lot of spares, what is good. I have brushes and filters, and also I have, and that's the best thing of its own, that I have 2 of these tanks. So I clean the wastewater tank and fill the water only 1 time a week. And in the middle of the week, I just swap the tanks. That's make your life much easier. About the cleanness of the robots, also I cannot complain. My floor is clean. You have maybe a little bit problem in the corners, but I think every robot have this problem in the corners. But corners is not this what you take a look for. All over the big area is clean, and I think you cannot do it better from hand. For the usage, the pads of the robots I use for 8 months, and then I had to exchange them. I get a lot of pads with the robot, and I think this is enough for 3 years, and who knows how long this robot will hold. Huh? And for the brushes, I have a nice trick, and I will show you this. When you use the brushes,
exiting home, please keep the space clear.
This is
the
still.
robot is moving backwards. Please clear the space behind.
This here is still the first set of brushes, and what I do, you only need to swap the left brush to the right and the right to the left. Because of the rotation will change, and so the hairs, the brush hair, get straight all the time. Normal there's a little bit bended like that, but when you put it here, it will come straight again. So you just swap them from time to time, one side to the other side, and you can still use them. Also for a year usage, they're still working fine. So just give it back to home.
Returning home. The robot is in the base station.
So let me conclude. For my opinion, it is an expensive but time-saving investment, and it improves the all-over cleanliness of my house, and I will not more miss it, to be honest. The only thing what I don't like on this robot is that still the app is not possible to set a time that the robot start automatically, for example 8 o'clock in the evening. And this is not possible in the app, and this should be improved. And some other thing what I would make different if I do it again, I would buy maybe only one, and buy one sweeping robot that could clean up the cartridge by himself. Also, if you not need to clean the cartridges, and there would be a possibility to automatically do this, would makes the life a little bit more easy, but in the way it is in the moment, it's more than enough. I hope that you enjoy this video, and that is a help for you to make a decision to buy a robot or not. If you like to see more of this kind of videos, just please like and subscribe. And if you have a comment, let me know below. Thank you for watching me.